guys, okay, so I'm going to be reviewing and installing this wig from Julia Hair. I already did an unboxing and everything like that, but I did not like how the wig looked. So I co-washed it, let it air dry. I went in with some oil sheen, I went in with some mousse, and then I just let it sit overnight. This is the packaging that it came in. I ordered this off of Amazon, and it is the Julia Afro Kinky Curly Half Wig, and it's in a natural black color, and I got it in 14 inches. They sent a net that came with it. I thought I had the original footage of when I first did this video, because I'm doing it over because I was not happy with how it looked at first. So this is what the wig looks like after I washed it, and I'm gonna insert some pictures of what it looked like before. So this is what it looks like now. Let's go ahead and try it on. So I got my hair like this because I want to try to do some leave out. Since it's a half wig, I put a little bit of Talia with Jid pearl sealer. It's clear. I don't have it down here with me, or else I would show you guys. We finna go ahead and just get in with the video. I just wanted to give y'all a heads up. Okay, so basically there is a comb. Let me turn this side out because I like to show all of it. You have a comb in the front, you got a comb in the back, and then you got the adjustable straps right here. So let's go ahead and try it. And of course y'all know they had other links, which I wish I would have gotten a longer length, but let's try this on. Then I got my mirror over here, and it looks like the length is the same, but it don't look as crazy as it did at first. Because when I first got it, I was like, this is what we got right here, and I just wish that it was longer. You see what I'm saying? It just looked too short for my liking. So this is how it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and untwist my leave out, and then I'm gonna take my leave out. So I did this earlier this morning when I twisted up the front of my hair, and then I'm gonna kind of like, you know, cover that little part right there. Girl, I feel like this looks kind of crazy. I'm gonna try to intertwine my own hair in there. And of course you can wear this as a headband wig, you can wear it as whatever you want. I just chose to do it this way. Okay, so I love this so much better than what it was looking like at first. Baby, this my hair, you can't tell me otherwise. So this is what we working with here, and I have definitely got to insert some pictures of what it looked like before. So that's what we got. And then let me try this little flip over. Let me try this flip over method, baby. But this is what we working with. I'm gonna fix my edges, and then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna like throw a headband on. I can show you guys the versatility of it. But baby, this my hair. Not could be, baby, this my hair. I'm gonna be right back, y'all. Okay, you guys, so basically we got this little middle part thing going on. Then we can do the flip over. And it would work so much better as far as flipping over if it was 16 inches, maybe longer. But it's just layered really weirdly. So let's throw on a headband. So I like to put my headbands on like this. It still looks a little awkward, but who gonna check me, boo? Who gonna check me, boo? Yeah, I like this. And then, you know, like, I just wish it was longer, like 20 inches. But it's cute though. What y'all think? 14 inches. I'll leave the price, I'll leave the link. This is my hair. Y'all, baby, I'm finna wear this for the rest of the day. You heard me though? I'm wearing this for the rest of the day. And I like that I left that leave out. Baby, this is my hair. You can't tell me otherwise. This is me. All right, you guys, that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching. You could have tuned in and watched any other video, but you chose to come to this one, and I thank you so much for that. This is, let me pull some of the hair to the front. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So, and then stretched out, it comes right there, but it's 14 inches. To me, the front part feels like an 8. Like this part, I wish the whole thing was even, if you know what I mean, because you got the front right there and then the bottom. for reference. So you see, but I guess they were going for like a layered look because I didn't cut it. I didn't do anything to it except co-wash it and added the products that I told you. But this is what it looks like, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think below, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.